How to fix spatial wallpaper not working on iOS 26. Hey guys, if the new spatial wallpaper feature isn't working on your iPhone running iOS 26 and you're not getting that cool 3D animation on your lock screen, stick around till the end of this video because I'll walk you through a few fixes that usually solve the problem. First, make sure low power mode is turned off. Open the Settings app, go into Battery, scroll down to Power Mode and disable Low Power Mode. This feature is designed to save battery by limiting certain background effects, and one of the things it can disable is the spatial wallpaper. Once you turn it off, lock your phone and check if the 3D effect starts working. Next, let's refresh the spatial wallpaper setting itself. Open Settings again, scroll down and go into Wallpaper. Tap on your current lock screen wallpaper. Look for the spatial scene icon next to the three dots. If it's already enabled, turn it off. Wait about 5 to 10 seconds and then turn it back on. This simple toggle can reactivate the feature and fix the issue. Now, there's one setting that a lot of people miss. Open Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, then tap on Motion. If Reduce Motion is turned on, disable it completely. Reduce Motion removes system animations, and even if spatial wallpaper is enabled in your wallpaper settings, this option can silently stop it from working. Once it's off, go back and test your lock screen. Finally, make sure your iPhone is fully up to date. iOS 26 is still new and bugs are common early on, and install any new versions you see. Many of these issues get fixed in minor updates. If any of these helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.